Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing the best institute for IIT coaching in Kolkata. In this video we will be discussing the top 3 coaching institute in Kolkata for IIT preparations. So let us begin the video. The very first institute I will be talking about is the Hindu Zone. So basically, the Hindu Zone Institute is spread all over India, and if you are seeking and looking forward for online classes in any of the coaching like IIT, IAS, banking, etc., then you must contact Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone provides you free counseling session so that you can decide that which institute is best for you according to your course. So, if you are looking forward to connect to the institute, then you can do it on their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. There, they will provide you free counseling session, which will definitely be an advantage to the students. First in the list of top IIT coaching in Kolkata is the Akash Institute. So, the address of the Akash Institute in Kolkata is 23 Circus Avenue, near 7 Point Crossing, opposite Jhal Farezi Restaurant, Kolkata, West Bengal 700017. Their contact number includes 088 000 13151. Further, the Google review includes 4.2 stars out of 5. Now, let us discuss the past report of Akash Kolkata. So, around 4,000 students from Akash Kolkata made it to different competitive examinations. 200 plus students get into merit list of IIT JEE from Kolkata Center. Yes, 200 plus students. In addition to this, 3 students ranked among top 100 at IIT JEE. So, these were some of the perks that why you should go for Akash Institute. The next institute is FIITJEE. So, FIITJEE is another premier institute going neck to neck with Akash. It is known for its splendid test series conducted right from Delhi all over India. Its address include Civic Center 116, CIT Scheme 7M CIT Road DS1 beside Uttarapan Market, Maniktala, Kangurachi, Kolkata, West Bengal 700054. Its contact number is 033 2355 6700, and the batch size of the institute includes 35 students. So here in a batch you will get approximately 35 students. Its rating of Google review includes 4.2 out of 5 stars. In addition to this, the email of the institute is info@fiitjee.com, and the website includes www.fiitjee.com. So, this was the information regarding the second top institute in Kolkata for IIT preparations. Now let us discuss some of the features claimed by this institute. So, the very first feature claimed by FIITJEE is the value system. According to them, FIITJEE esteem framework rotates around truth, straightforwardness and responsibility. Whatever we think, whatever we state, we do. We present to you what we really are. The next feature FIITJEE claims is the coaching quality. So, we never bargain on quality. Our propensity and quest for quality is apparent in all our exercises, in the entirety of our activities, consistently all over the place. In addition to this, the FIITJEE Kolkata also claims to have the best IIT faculty. According to them, they have 1800 exceptionally skillful full-time staff, guaranteeing you get profoundly powerful educators in all the subjects all through your